welcome back. Has been such a crazy week, but we're here, finally gonna continue doing the resistance piece and hopefully get a lot done today. Like how, yeah, I'm gonna do the background with acrylic just cause it'll take longer to do that whole background with oil. So I'm gonna do the background with acrylic today and also work more on the face. And yeah, I'm gonna do time lapses. I might get in some like ancestral indigenous knowledge or wisdom that I learned about this past week. I'll do like more details afterwards, like in the final stages with oil. But yeah, I'm gonna do the acrylic background today and also work on the face more. And let's see what other, like, I also want to do like the other first layer subjects. So I'm excited to, you know, get this rolling. And yeah, another thing, so some like updates. I have a show coming up in like 2 months and I have to come up with a lot of stuff. So because I'm going to be vending, and then also there's going to be an auction. So I have to make a piece that I want to auction off, and that money is going to be going towards environmental justice type of stuff. So yeah, I had to come up with something in regards to that. I have an idea though. So that's going to be the third painting that I'm going to be simultaneously working on. This one, that one, and the new one that I had to auction. And yeah, I need to start that ASAP. I'm just looking and applying to residencies and stuff like that. And we'll see what happens. So just trying to keep on the lookout, exhibitions, open calls. If you guys have any, if you guys know of any, please let me know. I'm based around Miami, so anything, you know, around here or in Jersey, New York, if it's like a big cool show, I would definitely travel, you know. So even in London, wherever you guys are from, let me know all the open calls, residencies. If you hear of any, I would really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you for being here with me and supporting. Please like, share, subscribe. I would really appreciate it on this journey as a, you know, first generation Dominican and artist. You know, I'm really trying to make it so that people, the Caribbean and Latin America, you know, us minorities, we don't think of us like that anymore, and that we belong in these spaces and our stories deserve to be heard and all of this. So yeah, we'll continue talking later, and grab your snacks or whatever you're going to be working on and join me. And yes, we'll talk about more indigenous wisdom and things that I learned this week and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh, and also, so I found this like document about the Tainos and astrology, so I want to read some of that stuff. And yeah, that's where it's gonna be like overlapping the time lapse and stuff. But first, I gotta make a mango smoothie because I'm a little hungry. So just a little bit more procrastination, but after the smoothie, I'm gonna get started and mix those colors of acrylic and cover the whole background today for sure, and cover like the objects, the first layer for the subjects and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you again. Anyways, yeah, I'll show you guys too. Like, I've been working on some clay stuff, so I'll show you guys what I have done so far with that and what I'm thinking of doing. Maybe I'll sell some in that big art show in 2 months. Wish me luck. And yeah, we'll see what we do. Definitely going to be recording that and sharing it with you guys, and I'll even post a flyer and stuff. So if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you'll know. For anyone that does clay, please let me know why this is sticking like that on this. Maybe it's like not the best quality, but I am working on a mini sculpture type of thing. I did this for fun. That was like my first practice clay little sculpture. She is cute. And yeah, now I'm doing like a chair, and I'm gonna be putting like a woman sitting on it. So this is the face so far. I think I'm doing pretty well. Yeah, so after that, well, today though, I'll be working on this, the resistance piece. Reading a little bit from this paper that I found from this Discord that I'm in, and it is called Taino Astronomy from Breezy Ocaña Flaqued from San Diego State University, Nassau, Dominican Republic. I'm pretty sure if you type that in, you could look up the document. I'll also link it in the description below. Yeah, so according to the Tainos, it says the world began in a cave, which is located in San Cristobal in Dominican Republic, and it bears the name of Casivajagua, which means the Black Cave. In that cave lived some beings that cannot be in contact with the sun and therefore never left the cave during the day. But one day the sun came in contact with them, and from there arose the trees, the birds, the earth, and the Tainos. The constellation of Orion and the origin of the fishes in the sea. So at the beginning of December, when the constellation Orion appears in the evening sky after sunset and does so in the east, implying that it is visible all night, it indicates for the Tainos the end of the rainy season and the beginning of the dry season. This sky also coincides with the time of year when the most important fish in the indigenous diet were caught at the mouths of the rivers. Okay, this is her so far. I can take a little break now and then do the face. Yeah, there's still some leftover acrylic paint here, so gonna have to figure out where to put that. I'm not sure about those two there. We'll see. And then yeah, it has all this paint though. So yeah, that was just a little bit of the beginning of this paper. Definitely read it, it's so interesting. Okay, so today I'm gonna be working on, I fixed the face. I definitely want to work on, well, I'm currently working on the yucca, the bottom. Still trying to figure out how I want to lay it out. Then, you know, fill up more of the spaces that I can. I really love the face now. Yeah, just gonna keep doing it day by day. Today is Wednesday, so tomorrow you guys will be seeing this and we'll see how it ends tonight. I'll show you the end of the video will probably be tonight of me finishing up, or like seeing what I finish up today. So hopefully it's a lot more, bringing complexities and stuff and seeing what to add. I was thinking of adding yucahu or semi stone, either here or here or here, I'm not sure yet. And I might want to add a rooster, I don't know, but roosters to me are like political. I don't know why, but it's not only political, but also it's like the Caribbean, you know, it's the first, it's like the alarm clock, and it's just very spiritual, and I love roosters. There's a rooster around my aunt's house actually, and we call him Pancho. It's a face now, and then yeah, I added the palm trees. I'm not sure, I think I like it black. In my original thing it's like kind of green, but we'll see. And yeah, I did the shirt a little bit last night, and yeah, this is where we're at so far. Now it's gonna work on the yucca as much as I can. So this is the morning, Thursday. You guys will be seeing this video today. I can't be doing any more today because I'm going to my grandma's house, but I really like how the yucca is coming out and everything. Let me know what you guys think so far. Just have some more details and we're good to go. If you want to make prints and stuff, of my existing work, and also this one. I think I'm gonna be using cat prints. We'll see. I actually ordered like their sample pack, so I'm gonna be going through that. Guys, I forgot to show you the other day my ring light fell and this thing broke off. Look at this. So now it's only standing on this, but thankfully it still works for some reason. I just like put it in there and it's thank goodness. That's the end of this video. Till next time, probably Thursday. I've been alternating Thursday and Friday, but I think Thursday is gonna be the days of posting this channel. So yeah, thank you so much for being here with me and being on this journey with me. I don't think many blessings to you, and may you have a blessed, good, protected week and day. And yeah.